Hey guys, recently had some questions about my solar system and I figured I'd just kind of fill the blanks in for some folks. It's a DIY system, there's nothing fancy about it, it's just a basic grid tie uh, operation going on. I mean, it's a 110 volt system which, puts a balanced load to my box and runs my house, but of course in the winter time there's usually not enough sunshine to run the whole house, so I have to pull some energy from the grid to make up for the difference. And right now I'm kind of, for the most part, using up the energy credits I build up through spring, summer, and fall. And hopefully when spring gets back here again, I'm running the meter backwards and I haven't used up all my energy credits, which means I've just basically got a $15 hookup fee for being hooked up to the grid. Pretty much, as easy as it gets, guys. I highly recommend anybody that wants to tinker with something like this to go ahead and tinker, man. I mean, be creative. It's the 21st century. The only thing we're needing is George Jetson Hoover cars. Y'all have a great day. God bless.